Now we are going to the homogeneous differential equations. Before discussing on homogeneous differential equations, we have to learn the homogeneous function. What is homogeneous function? Homogeneous function. Homogeneous function. The definition of homogeneous function is a homogeneous function is that function which has multiplicative scaling behavior. What does it mean? It means that if a function's all arguments are multiplied with some scalar quantity, say lambda, then the result will be the value of the function times the scalar quantity to the power raised to the power something. Okay, this is the multiplicative scaling behavior, and this n will be called the degree of homogeneity. Let's take an example. F of xy equals to x square plus xy plus y square. Say, now we will multiply some kind of scalar quantity with x and with y. Okay, now this side will be lambda x whole square, lambda x, lambda y whole square. Now lambda square should be common, so x square plus xy plus y square. Now this is the function f of xy, so we get lambda square times f of xy, so we will get f of lambda x lambda y equals to lambda square f of xy. So this function has the multiplicative scaling behavior or property. So this function is homogeneous and its degree is 2, okay, clear? Now we will go to the homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. If a differential equation is expressed with dy dx equals to f of xy by or over g of xy, and this f of xy, this function is homogeneous this function is homogeneous, this function is also homogeneous, and their degree should be same. Degree should be same. Then the equation is called, then the equation is called homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so we should have dy dx equals to numerator as a homogeneous function and denominator as also homogeneous function, and their degree should be same. Their degree must be same. Okay, now let's take example. Let's say dy dx equals to x square plus xy plus y square by twice xy plus x square. Okay, so this is a homogeneous differential equation because this function is homogeneous and degree 2. This function is also homogeneous with degree 2. So this equation is homogeneous differential equation. Let's take another example. X cube plus 3x square y dy plus y cube plus 3 y square x dx equal to 0. So we get x cube plus 3x square y dy equals to minus y cube plus 3y square x dx. So dy dx should be minus y cube plus 3y square x by x cube plus 3x square y. Here y cube plus 3y square x, this function is homogeneous. X cube plus 3x square y, this function is also homogeneous. So, and the numerator is homogeneous and degree 3. The denominator is also homogeneous function and degree 3. So their degree is same and the degree is 3. So this differential equation is homogeneous. Okay. Now let's go to the solving technique of homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Now we are going to the working rule for solving homogeneous differential equation. For solving first order and first degree homogeneous differential equation, we have to follow some steps. The first step should be express or transform the differential equation as dy dx equals to f of y by x. That means dy dx will be expressed by some function of y by x. This function all terms are expressed with y by x. Now step 2 will be, let's take y as vx. So the dy dx should be v plus x dv dx. Here v is a variable. Okay. Now step 3 will say replace the value of y and dy dx into the star equation. So by the step 3 we will get dy dx as v plus x dv dx equals to f of y by x as v. Okay. Now the step 4 will be apply separation of variable method. That means we get v minus or x dv dx equals to f of v minus v dv by f of v minus v equals to dx by x. Then we will integrate both the side. Okay. This is the whole procedure, the working rule. Now we will go to the example. Let's take dy dx equals to y by x plus tan y by x. Okay. Let's take y equals to vx. So dy dx should be v plus x dv dx. Now we will replace this information into this star equation. The star equation should be v plus x dv dx equals to y by x is v, tan y by x is v. V is removed. Now we get x dv dx equals to tan v. So separation of variable, we will apply dv by tan v equals to dx by x. Cot v dv equals to dx by x. We will integrate both the side. Integration of cot v with respect to v is ln or natural logarithm of sin v. Okay. Equals to this term, this integral will be ln x plus constant, we will constant as ln constant. So logarithm of sin v, natural logarithm of sin v equals to natural logarithm of x into c. So sin v equals to x into c. We will replace v because we took v as y by x. So v should be y by x, sin y by x equals to xc. Okay. So this is the solution. Okay.